What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video I want to introduce the new minimal case, that's MNML case, that became my favorite iPhone 11 Pro case. And let me just show you real up close how do these cases look. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my iPhone 11 Pro, but this is a midnight green color, but it looks a little bit hazy, and that's because I have a case on it, but it kind of feels like it's more of a skin than a case, but it actually protects my phone. As you can see, the cutouts over here. Very, very nice work with this case. It's very slim, it's very elegant, it's very good quality. There are no brandings on it. Absolutely no branding on it, which is by far the favorite part of this case for me. Now if I take this off from my phone, you can see that this is the frosted white version of the phone, and absolutely nothing, no branding. It's paper thin, it's really easy, or very lightweight. It doesn't give extra bulk to your phone, but still protects against scratches. Also, my other favorite one, this is the see-through version, and this is also very thin. I've been using this. You might see some scratches on the back. I've been using this for about 2-3 weeks now, and I just love it. You can see your phone. It doesn't disrupt anything, but it actually protects it, and it's very good quality material. Now, I've been using this for, as I said, 2-3 weeks, and you can see just minor scratches, but I'm treating my phone like really bad. And even though you can't see anything with this case that might have gone wrong, you can see everything full. Now, if you don't want to see everything, you want something more like a frosted black version, well, then you're in luck, because minimal case offers a frosted white, a see-through, and frosted black. So let's open that. Here is the case for that. Look at how beautiful this case is. Very nice. Now, if we open this up, this is how it looks. You can see congratulations. It has, the instructions say how you can actually put the case on and take the case off. And here is your case, along with a microfiber cloth and an MNML or minimal case sticker. Now it comes in this unique packaging, and I really love this. I think it's really stylish. It's something new. I haven't seen this before, and in order to open it, all you do is just tear and open, and voila. Ooh, and here is the frosted black version of the iPhone 11 case. If I put this on there, it's more like a coffee brown, I would say. Nice. You can see the Apple logo nicely. With the camera over here, you can see that it's very nicely cut. Precision cut on the bottom as well, so you can see the holes are exactly where they need to be. I'm very happy, very satisfied. My favorite one is the see-through version, because I just got this beautiful iPhone 11 Pro. I mean, look at that color, and if I put this on there, I can see the color and enjoy my phone while I know that it's protected. Now this is like a silicone, while these are more of like a plastic feel, but I think these are some kind of silicone things as well, but they feel really nice. This sticks in your pocket a little bit more. This one it's like frosted glass. So if you want the frosted glass feeling of your phone, then you should use the frosted glass version of this case. Now guys, how do you like these cases? Because I love them. I really love them. I think they're very stylish. The fact that it's so lightweight is the main reason I am using it, because I don't like cases on my phone. I think they're bulky, but sometimes I do need to protect them. Now, what you see over there is a Samsung Note 10 case, an iPhone 11 case, a Note 10, and again one more iPhone 11 Pro clear transparent. So over here you can see these. You can win that, and all you need to do is subscribe to the channel And down in the comments below, let me know what kind of phone you have. I will choose randomly from you guys. You need to just subscribe in order to win these cases. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you want to go ahead and try it, the link for their website is down below in the description. Thank you very much. Until my next video, don't forget to stay safe and hang loose.